guys, so before we get into this vid, we have to clean up this nail area because it's dirty and I left it like this from the last nail set, which I did like a few days ago. No, more like a week ago. So basically I just take all the stuff that I need and I kind of put it to the side over here where you don't see it. All right, so I'm just cleaning all my stuff off. Oh, you can't really see anything. It's kind of a rainy day here right now. It's actually nighttime. I'm filming this video in the middle of the night. Oh my gosh, it's like I just leave things dirty. Anyway, I'll just get back to you after I'm done cleaning this area. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we're going to be trying some new Modelones gel polish kits. I'm very excited to get into these. This is a Modelones collaboration with a brand called Pantone. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Which one do you want to open first?
Well, no, pink because blue's better.
So we're just gonna open up this pink one first, and it has like a nice shiny pink. So let me just take everything out of this bag first. Okay, so here's everything that you see when you first open up the kit. So let's just start in the middle here. So the first thing that you get is this cuticle scraper. Next you get a hand file and a buffer. Next you get some tweezers. You can never have enough tweezers, am I right, Catsitas? We're always tweezing something. Next, you get a magnet, which is for the cat eye polygels. And then you get some of these gold nail decorations. And the next thing, this gel polish kit comes with a whole nail lamp, and it's the color pink. So it has the cord and the nail lamp right here. And the last thing, this is what we have all been waiting for, the gel polishes. Let's just open all these gel polishes up and see what colors we are getting. Okay, so here are all the gel polishes you get. First of all, you get the base coat and top coat. So these aren't really colors. Here are actually all the gel polish colors. First of all, they have these really nice like matte bottles. You know, they're like the shape of a lipstick. These are cute. So let's just start with this first color right here. So this one is a nice like red pink. This one's really cute. On camera it looks really red, but it has a little touch of pink in there, I swear. The next one is a nice dark, what is this, like a dark purple? I don't know. It's like a brownish reddish purple. Yeah, that's what it is. And then here we have just a really nice, just a nice red. On to the really fun part. We have some cat eye polygels right here. The first one is the silver. Ooh, this one's nice. Against the white, it kind of looks almost like purple, like a light purple. And then next is this other cat eye polish. And then the last cat eye gel polish is this dark purple. So I'm actually going to test these out right now and see if they work. Yes, it does work on the napkin. Can you tell it made like that line right there? I don't think it's gonna work for these other ones because they're kind of soaked into the paper. Here is the colors from the first kit. I really like them. Okay, and the next kit right here is this really, first of all, it has a really nice like blue and green bag that it comes in. You know what I'm getting from these colors? Buzz Lightyear. Does it have a yellow? I could literally make Toy Story nails. I think I could. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the next kit. I'm really loving this so far. So first, let's just get into like the decorations and stuff. So you first get a hand file and a buffer, a cuticle scraper. You get some tweezers, if I could get them out. Next, you get some of these square glitters. Ooh, then you get these like rounded gems right here. These are a really nice color. Like it has a blue like iridescent sparkle to it. Is that called sparkle? Reflect, right? And also I think my favorite part, like these are so good. We have here some chunky charms, which I love them already. So they have some of these like clay, tiny slices of the nail decoration. I love these. Oh my gosh, how can I use these? I want to use these. Some flowers, some 3D flowers. some chunky hearts right here, some bows. This is like the perfect mix of everything I want and more. Next, we have the nail lamp, of course. Has the cord once again and has the nail lamp right here. And now the gel polishes. So here are all the colors. These are so bright and like, I don't know, they look really nice together. It's giving me Toy Story. What color is Buzz? Is he blue and green and purple or just blue and green?
Buzz is white, purple, and green.
Purple? Not blue? First of all, we have the base coat and top coat. So here we have the first color. This is kind of a, yeah, no. This is mustard, if I've ever seen mustard. Or sunflower. Yeah, or sunflower color. Next is this orange right here. It's just a regular orange. Well, it's a little bit neon. It's a little bit on the brighter side. Next, we have this, ooh, really neon green. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this one glows in the dark. Next is a purple. This is just a really pretty purple. I like this purple. The next color is this light blue. Ooh, this is a nice blue. I like these colors so far. And then the last color is this dark blue. This is a really nice blue. Okay, so here are all the colors that come in this kit, and I really love these. Okay, so I'm gonna cure these. I'm gonna see what the green and the blue look like when they glow in the dark. So here's what they look like. It's a little hard to see, but they do glow. Oh my gosh, that blue really glows. So here are all the colors basically, and we're just gonna get right into this nail set. Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of cat. I don't think you guys have met this one before. I have too many cats, so I don't even know which ones you've seen and which ones you haven't seen. She's a bit camera shy. Are you camera shy? Okay, so we're first going to start off by pushing back the cuticles, and then I'm going to be trimming off that excess dead skin with my cuticle scissors. Then I'm going to be taking my fine grit sanding band and I'm just going to remove the shine from all the nails, but I'm going to be very gentle on this part because I am going to be adding a peel off base coat, so I don't really need to scratch up the surface of the nails that much. Next, I'm going to be using my nail clippers and trimming off my excess nail growth, and then I'm going to be smoothing that out with my hand file. Now, for this video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm not going to be doing my normal, way of polygel. I'm actually going to be doing like the appraise method, but I'm going to be using like polygel instead of the gel polish. I don't know what that way is called, but that's what I'm doing. So on the thumbnail, I tried doing base coat, but the nail tips were like too curved to fit my nails. So if I tried to push down the nail tip, the cuticle area would pop up and then the other way around. So I decided to try polygel, just some clear polygel, and that worked a lot better. The polygel kind of filled in that empty gap that the base coat just couldn't fill. For the first attempt using the polygel, I put way too much, so it was just seeping out everywhere. So for the second try, I just added a little bit less and it worked really nicely. And once I have it kind of stuck on there by itself, I'm just going to be cleaning up around the cuticle area, making sure that no polygel is squeezing out the sides. We just want to clean that up because it's going to make it a lot easier when you go to file. So onto the next nail, I'm doing the same thing, and once again, make sure to clean up around the cuticle area because we don't want any of that polygel to be sticking to our skin. For some of these nails, I had to kind of reshape the cuticle area of the nail tip because it just didn't fit my cuticle area. So you just want to make sure to reshape it a little bit so that way it fits your nail. And I'm gonna be honest, doing this way, it was quicker than what I normally do, but it still took me a while because like some of these nails just weren't cooperating and I just didn't want any of the polygel to be squishing out, so I just kept cleaning and cleaning and cleaning around the cuticle area. So it did take me a little bit of time, like it wasn't like super quick, but it was quicker than what I normally do. So here's how they are looking so far. I really like how they're looking. They look really nice and clean. So I'm just going to be reshaping these nails. They are, nicely stiletto shaped, but they're not as sharp as I want them to be. So I'm first just going to be reshaping them to make them sharper, and then I'm going to be removing the shine from all the nail tips, and then I'm going to be taking my fine grit sanding band and I'm going to be working this around the cuticle area. This is just to like seal in the cuticle area, make sure it's nice and seamless, and I went ahead and did that for all the rest of the nails. here how they are looking so far. The next thing I did was I took this like cuticle drill bit cylinder shape, and I'm just working this around the cuticle area as well, because I just want to make sure that the cuticle area is nice and sealed, because when you're doing like full cover tips like this, you just want to make sure that the cuticle area is really seamless, and that will help them last longer as well. So now I'm going to be taking this safety drill bit, and I'm just going to work this over the entire nail, because this kind of removes the deep scratches in the nail, and also once again working this around the cuticle area, because we want to make sure that that cuticle area is nice and sealed. Okay, so here's how the nails look after all the shaping, and we're going to get on to this nail art. So I'm going to be using a lot of these colors from the gel polish kits, but firstly I'm going to start off with this nude gel polish, and I'm just going to be painting my pointer finger this nude color, because we're going to be doing a French tip on this nail. So I tried to make the part that would show like the most opaque, and I tried to make the tip of the nail thinner, because I didn't want these nails to be, you know, too thick. So after I have the 2 layers of the nude gel polish on, I'm going to be painting on this French tip, and I'm going to be using the purple polish, and I'm just going to start off by making that smile line area and then filling in the tip of the nail. So as we continue with the nail art, I just want to talk about the gel polish kits. I really love these kits. I just really like the variety you get with them. The gel polish kit that comes in the blue bag with like the really colorful colors, they have 2 glow-in-the-dark colors that I just think is just a really nice touch. I love glow-in-the-dark, so I don't know, anything glow-in-the-dark is really fun to me. Gel polish kit that comes in the pink bag, they have the cat eye gel polishes, and I also want to say these gel polishes are very opaque. I love all these colors. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to talk about the kits for a little bit. So now I'm taking a darker purple, which I had to like mix together, and I just outlined the first purple smile line. And then I'm going in with some white, and I'm outlining where the green and the purple meet. So on to the middle finger, I'm going to be making this nail this nice dark blue color. I could have used the glow-in-the-dark light blue. I was also going off the picture, and the picture used this dark blue. So, yeah. So after I have the blue layer on, I only have to do 1 layer of that gel polish. I'm going to start on making the cloud nail art. This is like Andy's wallpaper. Like, if you haven't watched Toy Story, this nail set probably won't make any sense. And then onto the ring fingernail. We're doing cow print, so I just started off by painting the nail white and then going in with the black nail art to make it the cow print. So next onto the pinky nail, we're going to be painting this nail that sunflower yellow. This is part of Woody's outfit. After I painted on the yellow, we're going in with these red stripes, it's like grid pattern. And this nail was probably the hardest one because it was so hard to make the lines straight. I took so many tries on this one, and finally I got it in the end. It wasn't as good as I wanted it to be. lastly, onto the thumbnail, I'm going to be painting this nail brown because we're going to be doing the bottom of Woody's shoe, and on the bottom of Woody's shoe he has like Andy's name written on it. I just started off with brown gel polish. And then I'm going to be adding on Andy's name, just how Andy wrote it. Okay, and here are how the nails are looking so far. I actually really like how they're coming out. I just really like how they look, like all the designs together. So next we're going to be adding on some gems. I really like the way the gems made this nail set look. I don't know how to describe it. I think the gems added a really nice touch. So I'm just kind of sticking on these gems with some top coat because I'm a little lazy and I didn't feel like putting on any rhinestone gel. So after the gems are on, for the pinky nail, I'm adding on a gold star like Woody has, like his sheriff badge. I just thought that was really, really cute, so I really like that little detail. And finally, I'm just going to be painting on some top coat onto the thumbnail. And finally, after all the nail art, like most of the footage I had from this video was just nail art. We're going to be adding on some cuticle oil, and here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. I really like these nails. I think they're really cute. No, I wanted to do stiletto nails, and I like how I got to do like the full cover tips for a change. I don't know, I really like how this nail design turned out. I think all like the designs together look really nice. So if you guys are interested in these two Modelones x Pantone gel polish kits, I highly recommend them. I think you get a really nice variety of colors, and I really like how one of them comes with cat eye and the other one comes with some glow in the dark. You know, it just adds a little more variety. These two gel polish kits are available on the Modelones website. You can use the code VIC for 15% off your order, and these two kits are also available on Amazon. And these kits also come with other decorations too, and a whole nail lamp, so it comes with almost everything you need. I really wish I got to use those chunky like nail decorations, but that can be for another time. So again, all the information for these two gel polish kits will be in the description. And that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!